Today, we're going to talk about common Google Sheets mistakes and how to avoid them in 2025. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or professional, knowing these pitfalls can save you time, prevent errors, and make your spreadsheets more efficient and reliable. First, avoid unclear or inconsistent headers. Using vague or inconsistent column names can make your data confusing and difficult to analyze. Always label your columns clearly and consistently so anyone viewing your sheet can understand the information quickly. Next, be careful with manual calculations. Relying too much on manual entries instead of formulas like sum, average, or VLOOKUP increases the risk of errors. Using built-in functions not only saves time, but also ensures your data is accurate and automatically updated. Another mistake to avoid is not using data validation. Without rules or drop-down lists, entries can be inconsistent or incorrect, which leads to messy data. Data validation ensures consistency and helps prevent errors when multiple people are entering information. Avoid overloading your sheet with too much data in one tab. Large, cluttered sheets are hard to navigate and prone to mistakes. Instead, organize data into multiple tabs or use filters and conditional formatting to make your sheet more readable and manageable. Finally, don't ignore backups and version control. Accidental deletions or mistakes can happen, so always use Google Sheets version history to restore previous versions if needed. Regularly backing up important sheets ensures your data stays safe and recoverable. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make your Google Sheets more organized, accurate, and efficient, saving time and reducing stress in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.